Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on your phone Samsung. So let's start. So if you'd like to enable or disable this option, you can just swipe left like that and click on the right corner on your account button and then click settings. So here in settings you can just search an option which is called discover, like that. If you wanna switch off the Google Feed, you can just click here and switch off. As you can see, our Google Feed now is turned off. And then if you want to switch on this option, you can just click here and switch off the Google Feed like this. So guys, if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later guys. Bye bye.